Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate the central tendency of a given data set. That is, how to calculate the mean, the median, and mode of a data set. On my screen, I have a scorecard of class students and I would like to calculate their average. To do so, we type in equal sign, then average, and select a data set we would like to calculate the average. Then hit our enter key. And we have our average to be 59. Then to check the median score, we type in equal sign followed by median, then select a range of data we would like to check the median score for and hit our enter key. Then the last is to check mode. To calculate the mode, we type in equal sign followed by mode single, because we would like to return a single data as the mode. Then select a range of data and close a bracket. So this is how to calculate the mean, the median, and mode of any given data set. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share the videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. More of these videos when they are posted. Thank you.